free 30-minute case study video reveals how a 30-year-old plumber went from broke to earning $1,000 to $5,000 per day online, without creating products, websites, or personally selling anything himself. And most importantly, how everyday people are making $1,000 to $5,000 per day by copying him. Philip Johansen, a $100,000 per month online earner and a master mentor, is looking for few more serious people who want to make serious money. If that's you, then he will personally work one-to-one with you for the next 6 to 12 months and teach you everything he knows to make $100,000 plus per month online. And he will build your own $1,000 to $5,000 per day 90% automated online business for you. The main business model. Philip Johansen will teach you how to get completely free traffic from Instagram and TikTok. You'll also get a complete done-for-you funnel that you can send the traffic to in exchange for 4-figure commissions. Don't miss your chance and achieve the lifestyle you deserve. Your life could start to change beyond recognition in the next 1 to 2 minutes. Love him or hate him, this could be the start of a very profitable relationship. And if you don't get real results after working one-to-one with him, he'll pay you $10,000 of his own money anyway. If you are serious about making serious money, and you are willing to put the effort in, and you are prepared to invest in your future, take action now and click the link below this video to apply for free.